Hi, my name is Eli and this is Tech Talk. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Assistant extension on Google Chrome. At first, what I need for you to do is come over here to Google Chrome and open it up. Then I want you to go down to the URL that I posted in the description and paste it into your search bar because it's going to take you straight to the Chrome web store. So come up here, right click, paste, and then click enter. And then from there, what I want you to do is come up here to the top left hand corner, click on this little search bar, and Assistant. I can't even spell. .to. Then from there, what I want you to do is to click on the second extension that pops up. This one offered by Assistant.to. Just click on that. Then from there, what I want you to do is just click Add to Chrome. Then a box is going to pop up asking if you want to add the extension. Just click Add Extension, and that's it. If you have any questions about what we talked about today, make sure to drop them down in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as I can. This has been Eli from Tech Talk. See you next time.